Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you an alternative to Midjourney AI. This is unlimited and free generations. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Midjourney AI is definitely a great platform for you to create AI images where it actually provides you an accurate um, picture of what you can imagine. Here you can actually go to midjourney.com and you'll be able to see the other examples or the informations that they provide you so that you will be guided on what type of images you will be able to generate using this platform. But the thing here is that here with Midjourney, you actually need subscription so that you will be able to start generating your own AI images. There is a basic plan, a standard plan, and a pro plan. But there's no need for you to worry, even though that Midjourney has a um, subscription fee. There are still other AI platforms where they also work similar to Midjourney and they also provide you accurate results. Here, one of them is Lexica. You can just go to lexica.art, and here you will be able to see that you will also be able to generate images here using AI. Another example here is Leonardo AI. This is also a free platform where you will also be able to generate images like these ones here so that you can create or so that you can imagine or picture or you can see your imaginations in a picture form here. So it actually turns your imaginations rather in reality. So here you'll be able to join here free for beta. This is another platform where you can use it for free. It's called Blue Willow, but you'll need your Discord account to be able to create images like these. So they all work the same, where you input the prompt and then you provide the description of what you're imagining, and then it provides you or it analyzes the datas and it will create you images depending on what you are looking for. So it may not be accurately with all word by word, but it provides you the closest understanding or analyzation of the AI into your description. So here we can start with Leonardo AI, where you can actually get an early access where you can just sign up with your email or your um, Google account, any platform you have. And once you have signed in, you can actually click on Launch App and then just click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. And then you just need to log in with your Leonardo account. So once you have logged in, you can just sign in whether you have a Microsoft account or a Google account, or you can simply type in your email and password for you to be able to sign in. Here, so you can actually use another account or you can actually create your own Google account so that you'll be able to access Leonardo AI if ever you haven't created any Google accounts yet. So here, once you have successfully logged in, you'll be routed into this page. This is basically the homepage of Leonardo AI. You will be able to generate or view the different images that was generated here. You'll also be able to see the different models or AI models being used. Here is Deliberate 101, Luna, Leonardo Diffusion, Dream Shaper, and here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different images. And when you hover on each image, it actually provides you what prompt was being used. So you can actually browse anything you like, and if you have decided to look into, or if you're attracted to one image that you want and then you want to generate the same thing, you can actually click and just click on remix. So here on the right left side panel, you can actually click on, or you have your user tools. You have either you can generate an image, you can use the AI canvas, or you can use texture tools. But here we'll focus on the AI image generator. So here you have tokens where it actually depends on what type of model you use. It actually varies to each model. So you have the image dimensions on what size or what is the dimensions of the image, whether portrait, landscape, or square format. So here on this box that I'm writing my prompt, this is where you will be able to put the description on what image you want AI generator, or you want Leonardo AI to generate for you. So for example here, kitten punk. Let's just go back here. AI image. Here, kitten studio lighting. And you can see that there is a realistic image of an kitten that looks like it has been taken in a studio. So you can also add details like extremely detailed, or you can even add texture. Like for example, you can also incorporate or words like kitten punk or cat, dog, depending on what you like, it actually will generate for you. You can also incorporate textures, as I mentioned, where you can input furry, colorful, and then studio lighting. And you just wait for it to load up. When you click on generate, and it will definitely provide you an image closest to what you are imagining. So if ever the image does not go in lined with what you imagine, you can actually just tweak a little words or letters. You can even add emojis as well into your prompt so that you will be able to generate cute images or stunning images as well. So here are some of the examples. Here, this is another platform, Lexica Art, as I mentioned earlier. The same feature. You can look into the homepage on the examples. You can click on get started for you to sign up or sign in into your account. And here you will be able to see this is the homepage of Lexica. And for you to start generating your own images, just click on generate here on one of the tabs on the top part of the screen. And you can just here on the first box there you can describe the image. This is where you input the image prompt, and the lower part is a negative prompt, so you can input the words here that you want to exclude into the image that you will be generating here in Lexica. On the left side, or on the right side panel of the screen rather, you will be able to see here the dimensions, or how you want to set the format for the image, whether landscape, portrait, or it could be a square format. So here you can actually just wait for it to generate, and then it will load up in a minute. So I used the same prompt, kitten punk for a texture, and as you can see, for from the 4 images that were generated, only 2 of them were cats, and the other ones are like cosplayers wearing a hat that is cat-like. And the most accurate here is the first image, is more kitten punk compared to the other ones. And that's how you will be able to use here Lexica. So you can generate a lot of images, and if you like that image, you can just hit and like, and then you can actually just browse that into your likes as well. So another example here is Blue Willow. This is another platform where it's similar to Midjourney. It actually uses Discord as well, but the thing here is that Blue Willow is definitely for free. So you can just click on join beta, and then you can continue with your Discord account. And as you can see here, I have my Discord account. I will just need to look into Blue Willow here. This actually is the icon, or you can click on continue Discord. Just wait for this to fully load. Just adjust this on the screen. And here, you just click on Blue Willow. That is the blue and white icon here. And then you can start creating your own prompts under the Rookie channel. So any of these channels under Rookie, you can actually click on that. And then you can start creating your prompt in a few minutes. It will provide you the prompt that you want to generate. The same with Midjourney, just click on / imagine and then space type in the prompt. And then it will provide you the images that you want to portray here on Blue Willow. But the thing here is that most of the images that I generate here in Blue Willow, they're actually not very accurate with what the words or what I was imagining. For example, I input it here, kitten punk, and it actually will take a while, and sometimes it may be covered with all the other generations of the other people as well here on the other users on Blue Willow. And here you see there's kitten punk, furry texture, colorful studio lighting, but mostly this is just kitten with a colorful background, not much like what Leonardo AI generated for us, where it's very close to what we are imagining on what kitten punk is. And that's it. So if you want to upscale, or if you have chosen one of the images here, you can click on U1 if you want to upscale or enlarge the image without the other image added. Or you can add or create another variation for it. You can click on V4, V1, V2, or if you want to rerun the prompt, you can definitely do so. And that's basically it. That's how, or these are actually the platforms where you can use for, or as an alternative for Midjourney. And the good thing here is that it's for free. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.